Our solar system is a bustling corner of the Milky Way galaxy. At its heart lies the Sun, a star that bathes us in light and heat. Orbiting the Sun are 8 planets, each a world unto itself. These planets, in order from the Sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But the solar system is more than just planets and a star. It's teeming with other celestial bodies like moons, asteroids, and comets. Moons are natural satellites that orbit planets. Some planets, like Jupiter and Saturn, boast dozens of these fascinating objects. Asteroids are rocky remnants from the early solar system. They range in size from small pebbles to dwarf planets hundreds of miles across. Most reside in the asteroid belt, a region between Mars and Jupiter. Comets, often called dirty snowballs, are icy bodies that release gas and dust as they approach the Sun. Their spectacular tails have captivated skywatchers for centuries. About 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was nothing more than a vast cloud of gas and dust known as the Solar Nebula. This nebula, perhaps disturbed by a nearby supernova, began to collapse under its own gravity. As it contracted, it spun faster and faster, flattening into a disk. At the center of this swirling disk, the material clumped together, eventually igniting into our Sun. The remaining gas and dust in the disk continued to collide and stick together in a process called accretion. Over millions of years, these clumps grew larger, forming the planets we know today. The inner planets closer to the Sun formed from heavier elements that could withstand the intense heat. The outer planets farther away formed from lighter elements accumulating vast amounts of gas and ice. The planets in our solar system are in constant motion, orbiting the Sun in elliptical paths. Each planet has its own unique orbital period, the time it takes to complete one full revolution around the Sun. For example, Earth takes 365.25 days to orbit the Sun, while Mars takes 687 Earth days. But the planets don't just orbit the Sun, they also spin on their axes, giving rise to day and night. The length of a day varies greatly from planet to planet. A day on Jupiter, the fastest spinning planet, lasts just under 10 hours, while a day on Venus, the slowest, lasts a grueling 243 Earth days. The solar system is a dynamic place, with countless interactions between its celestial inhabitants. Gravitational forces from the Sun and planets influence the trajectories of asteroids and comets, sometimes sending them hurtling through the solar system. Despite centuries of study, our solar system still holds many mysteries. We are constantly making new discoveries that challenge our understanding of how it formed and evolved. For instance, recent observations suggest the presence of a 9th planet, a hypothetical giant lurking in the distant reaches of the solar system. The search for life beyond Earth is another driving force behind solar system exploration. Missions to Mars are searching for signs of past or present life, while icy moons like Europa and Enceladus, with their subsurface oceans, are considered prime candidates for hosting extraterrestrial life. Studying the solar system is not just about unraveling the mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood. It's about understanding our place in the universe and the processes that led to the formation of our planet and the emergence of life itself. As we continue to explore, we are sure to make even more astonishing discoveries, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and inspiring future generations of scientists and explorers.